What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jordan Stamina back again from Flight for Hype. If you have not, go on shop.traviscott.com right now. There's literally a restock, so as soon as you see this video, literally go back to this website right now and go ahead and sign up. As you can see, there's still the adult pair in the British Khaki, and you can go all the way up to the adult pairs. Then you have the preschool pairs and the raffles. So you can see that, you know, and then after you have the toddler pairs, which is little cute, tiny, teensy, weensy ones, you know what I mean? So yeah, as you can see too, you see the Cactus Jack for neighborhood carousel. It's the incense chamber. So this is for incense, not incest, guys, incense. And you see there, it's $400. You can see the dimensions there, and it's gonna ship in July. So hell no, I'm not actually gonna get that. Then you go from enjoy the ride through the neighborhood. You can see that they have the t-shirt here, and it's Cactus Jack for neighborhood carousel t-shirt, limited release, obviously. It's a printed logo. It's gonna ship in between 6 to 8 weeks, and obviously I'm not gonna do that because I literally just got a Cactus Jack skateboard, the PlayStation one that like released last year, and it's only coming now, so nope. And then you see the enjoy the ride through the neighborhood sweater. I actually like this one. This was actually super fire. But again, it's going to be going here in 8 to 10 weeks. It's going to be hot as hell by then. So, again, nope. Anyways, guys, if you'd like to subscribe to this channel and you guys are new, then make sure you hit that follow button and subscribe. And follow us at... damn it. I almost got this flawless. Follow me on Instagram at JXSFilms. And follow CJ at CJWisOfficial. And, yeah. So, this kind of happened as I was taking a dump. And I realized... well, I might as well just make a video out of it and upload it now. So this is the restock, so enjoy. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys copped. Did you cop for retail? I need a size 9, so someone please bless me with a good price. And let's do this. Peace.